Hello everyone, welcome back to our Java programming series. In today's video, we are going to talk about the if statement in Java. The if statement is one of the fundamental building blocks in any programming language, and it will allow you to make decisions in your code. So what is the purpose of if statement? The if statement in Java is used to evaluate a Boolean condition, and it will execute a block of code only if the condition is true. So here, if the condition evaluates to true, the block of the code inside the curly brace is executed, and if the condition will be false, then this block will be definitely going to skip. So I hope you have already covered the operators video. If you did not cover, then please watch, because we are going to cover so many operators in upcoming tutorial. So let's try to understand this thing with the help of code. So let's declare one variable that will be int number, and I can put the value as 10. And here I'm going to put our if condition, like if number is greater than 0, then just print some statement like number is positive number. Try to run. So you can see we are able to see the console statement, because here we put condition like number is greater than 0. So let's try to run into debug mode. So you can see here currently the number value is 10, and 10 is greater than 0 or not. Yes, it is greater than 0. That's why it will go inside the line number 8. So you can see it went inside the curly brace, and that's why we are able to see this message at all. So if we change the condition like number is greater than 100, then print this statement. So what will be happen? Let's run. So you can see we are unable to see any console statement, because this condition is not satisfied at all. Currently our number value is what? 10. And is 10 is greater than 100? No. That's why it does not satisfy here. You understand, if it will become true, then it will come inside this if block statement. So let's try to see another example, and that example we can say kind of number is even or not. Just come and put another condition like if number, and we are going to use here modulus operator. So just use percentage sign here, and true. If the remainder value is 0, that means the number is even number. So let's print that statement. Let's run. So you can see, oh, we are putting then. So let's change this message as T. So you can see number value is what? 10. When you divide 10 by 2, you will get remainder as 0. That's why we are able to see this if statement message. But if we change as 101, what will be happen? So you can see we are able to see this message. The number is positive because 101 is greater than 100. But 101, if you divide it by 2, definitely you will get remainder as 1. That's why it is not even number. So what will be happen in this scenario? You want to say like if the number is not even, so let's try to print the number is odd. So that thing will cover in if and else statement type. So this example demonstrate how if statement can be used to make decision based on the different condition. Here you can play with relational or logical operator. You can also apply and try to see how you are able to understand the code. So in next video, we are going to see if and else statement.